Guys, so I'm back with another unit, and this is a unit that you will see today and tomorrow. It's the exact same unit you're going to be seeing, but in different lengths. So I have here the Zuri Sis Crimp and Bang series. So this is called Bang Crimp, and this is 18 inches. This is the shortest one they have so far. Maybe they will come out with some more, who knows? Just the same as when they came out with the crimp style and they had the crimp in all the different lengths. Like, they came out with more eventually. So eventually I'm pretty sure they'll probably have some longer lengths. I don't know if longer, but they might have some shorter lengths or in between or something like that, because right now there's 18, I think 26 and 30 or something like that. I don't know, but I will be reviewing the longer lengths tomorrow, like I said. So this is the first one, 18 inches, and I have her in the color FS1B/30. Now guys, listen, if you're into these crimp hairstyles, if you really love the crimp hairstyles and you love a bang, then you would definitely love this, because it's literally just a regular crimp hairstyle with a bang. Okay, so it's a full wig. The cap, you just get two combs up front, one at the back, the adjustable straps. It's a stretchable mesh material cap, so it can fit any head size. It's very comfortable for the most part, and it comes as a regular crown closure, not any lace closure or anything like that, just a regular crown closure. And guys, it's a swoop bang. If you want it to be like a blunt bang and like cover the full thing, maybe you can like comb it down, flat iron it, and like cut it a little bit, because it does have like a little bit of layers to it. You see that? It's kind of long, so it is a swoop bang. All of them come with a swoop bang. Like I said, if you prefer it blunt, like straight down, you can definitely do that yourself. But guys, the only thing I don't really care for, I would say, about this unit is that it really frizzes up a lot. I did go in with my brush and I brushed it out, because I know sometimes when I get the crimp hairstyles, I don't really do nothing much to it, because I hate when the crimp hairstyles look fluffy and big. I just don't really like it, and I don't have a crimping iron to like tame it down. So most of the times I will try not to do too much, not to brush it and stuff like that. And you guys always comment and say you gotta brush it out, or I would brush it out to see what it looks like. So I'm like, you know what, let me just brush it out and see what's going on. And I brushed it out, and it's not big and poofy, thank God, but it is frizzy. I did go in with my Garnier Fructis anti-frizz oil just to tame it down a little bit, but it did a little bit of work. But I think if I were to leave the house with this, I'll go in with a curling mousse, because I think that would hold it in place a lot better. But anyway, it depends on the look you're going for too. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like this crimp bang hairstyle? Are you into it? Are you not into it? Let me look and see if this is heat safe. I'm pretty sure it is heat safe, right? They're normally heat safe. Okay, so this one doesn't say anything about heat, but I'm guessing. Okay, so if you want to try adding heat to it, please just use a little piece at the back. Just use a little piece at the back, test it out, see how much heat you can put to it, if the heat even, you know, takes, or if it's burning out. Like, just test it out first, and then you can go ahead and probably add heat after, whatever. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this unit, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. If you would like to purchase, the link would be in the description box down there, so check that out, along with all the other colors that it comes in. And guys, don't forget, tomorrow I have some more of these bang crimp hairstyle coming up, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in the longer lengths. And I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye.